Hello and welcome grade 3. It's a glad welcome I bring to you this morning, filled with the desires, hopes and dreams we all share. I have missed you all so much and hopefully we shall meet again when the situation improves. This is Mr. Hisham Shafa'y and today inshallah we will complete our session about the O sound or the open mid-rounded vowel. This is found in your pupil's book, page 114. But before we proceed to the book, let's remember the sound together. We have said that the O sound is associated with the letters O, R, and those can be seen in words like morning, sport, shorts, and thorn. Once again, I need you to open your pupil's book, page 114. Question number 3. And here we go. This question refers us back to the story of Androcles and the lion. If you do not remember the events of the story, please go back to the video lectures on Classera and you will find 2 videos about the topic. Now, the words that we have are huge, and huge means very big. The second word is po. Po. Po is the hand of a tiger, a lion, or a cat. The third word is thorn. Thorn is like a very little thing that can prick our hands from a piece of wood or from a flower. Thorn. Word number 4 is thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty means wants to drink. Word number 5 is scared. Scared means afraid of something or someone who does not feel safe. And finally, word number 6 is stream. Stream. And as we remember, stream is a very small river. Now let's complete. Sentence number 1. Androcles stopped by a because he was tired and Androcles stopped by a stream. Excellent. Because he was tired and right, thirsty. Number 2. A lion walked towards Androcles. He was very right, a huge lion walked towards Androcles. He was very scared. Yes. He here refers to Androcles. Number 3. Androcles pulled a thorn out of the lion's paw. Excellent. Now we can move back to the audio track of the story and listen to check our answers. You will always find these videos on your video lectures, so always open them and study them. Try to practice them as many times as you can. Now let's move on to the workbook. Workbook page 106. Again, page 106 in the workbook. This is a practice on the cluster of the OR sound. Let's see. Question wants us to write OR and then write the words and then read them. F, or, for, for, for. The second one, m, o, ning. M, o, mo, ning. Morning, morning. The third word, th, th, all, n, thorn, thorn. Yes, thorn. The fourth word is sh, sh, or, t, short, 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 short. And the fifth word is sp, sp, or, sp, or, t, sport, sport, sport. Exactly. Now we move on to question number 2. This, as we can see, is a type of a crossword game. We have a box with a group of letters. I need you now to stop the video and try to find one word from each line. We have 6 lines and we have 6 words. Now stop the video and try to find the words. Okay, I hope you found the 6 words. Let's look at them together. In the first line, g, morning, morning, morning. In the second line, yes, thorn, thorn. In the third line, did you find it? Exactly. It's a very short word. Or. Or is used to give the choice between 2 options. For example, when I ask you, do you like the red color or the blue color? Do you like the white color or the black color? So or is used to give options. Word number 4 is for. For. Word number 5, exactly. Sport. Sport. And finally, word number 6, shorts. Shorts. Now we move on to question number 3. Complete the sentences using the words from exercise 1. Now, the lion had a what in its paw? Yes, the lion had a thorn. Excellent. Number 2. Ben is wearing blue. Yes, Ben is wearing blue shorts. Number 3. I've got a present for you. Marvelous. 4. Which do you like best? Exactly. Which sport do you like best? And finally, number 5. We can go to the mall. We can go to the beach. Right here we have 2 options that we want to choose from. Exactly, the answer is going to be or. This was everything for today's session. Now, I want you to go back to the video lectures, listen to the tracks one more time, Watch the videos as many times as you can. Hold the book in your hand and watch the videos. This will help you practice reading and listening. This was Mr. Hisham Shafa'y. I hope you stay safe, take good care of yourself, and study hard. Bye.